So let's see. I'm using an Anastasia brush to do my eyes. And I'm going to go in with this pink. And apply it on the front of my eye. And go within the crease. Pink is gonna be the base look for this. And it can definitely be a spring look. I was experimenting just because it was the new year, so I wanted to like see what colors were my favorite, and I really like this pink. And then I'm going to go in with my crease with this color. It's kind of like a reddish pink. And just give it like a different contrast. A little bit more of a dramatic look. Alright. Then I'm going to go back in to blend the two colors. And boom. Then I'm like a huge fan of eyeliners. So this is drugstore eyeliner. It's one of my favorite liquid eyeliners. And I'm going to draw my wing. I like to start from the middle where my eyelashes kind of get thick, and then drag it out, and then create your wing. Like that, boom, ooh. Yes, and then after that, this is one of my favorite mascaras, Great Lash, because it has the curve, and it's just really, really good. It curls your eyelashes, and it makes them thicker at the same time. Do my bottom one, and I didn't even have to add an eyeliner to the bottom because my mascara naturally did it. Boom. And yeah, that was a quick look. So if you guys like the look, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and check it out. Check out the next look on Thursday at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.